have the serial Q-sub number to my license and the serial Q-sub contract to my insurance as well, and it's both valid. However, they're
So
both
let me
private.
see.
They're inside of a trust. I live privately, so I don't have to show the policy enforcers my private insurance nor my ID when they pull me over from traveling privately in my
Do
automobile.
you have a valid license?
I have identification to prove that I'm able to operate this automobile in my estate.
If you drove on Hubbo and Eaton, that's in the city of Detroit, and that is not private property. That is
You
very
have
much a
jurisdiction
public
different from
road.
me.
That is
No,
a public road that
no,
is
I
paid for
understand
by
that, but you
citizens, that is paid for by the citizens like myself who pay hefty taxes to everybody to be able to allow them to ride on those roads within the city and the state of Michigan. So if I run your license, is it going to come back valid? Because if it is, we can actually dismiss that ticket. And if you have car insurance and you show it to me today, I can actually dismiss that ticket as well. Do you got some car insurance?
yes, ma'am. I have a ongoing serial
Let me
number
see.
with
Let me see it. It has to be like it's a. Usually they give you a little
uh
form. I know I have to print mine
I
out for
got the
my
I have
license.
paid for mine with FRNs online, so I only have the online document and I have it in my Apple ID, so I could take a picture on
Okay.
this
Can
phone.
you I'm gonna send you my email address. If you could send it to my email address, that take care of two of the tickets actually. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna send you the email address.
I also have another question in settling the subject matter.
Yeah. Go
Um
ahead.
after the case get dismissed, it's with prejudice or without?
If you have the documents, I'm willing to do it with prejudice today. If you have these, you see what I just sent
Can
you?
you do it without
Send me
prejudice?
the insurance. We do it without prejudice, but they're not gonna refile it. You better
Okay.
have a valid license. His license is valid. Send me the other one. The only one that did appear on the docket is the speeding ticket. Let me see what I can do about that. That's
Speeding
the only
isn't a
one you might
crime
have to
though.
dispute.
But speeding isn't a crime. It has to be an injured party, and it has to be presented. And the injured party has to be having
No,
all
you
four.
talking about civil law. That's not civil law. This is like a civil infraction imposed by the state of Michigan, and the injured party is all the citizens essentially. If you want to go that route, because we could potentially be injured by your conduct and your behavior on the roadway.
But that I hear what you're saying. You saying the word potentially, potentially. That's what you're saying. And then the state, what was somebody would have to present me a statement where the party is injured. They would have to present
Okay.
me a statement.
Well, we can always do a hearing on that ticket. But if you send me your car insurance right
Yes,
now to the
ma'am.
email address I sent it to, then I can dismiss those two counts because you got a valid license. And if you got valid insurance, did I send it to the right person? Or I put it in the chat for everyone. I'm gonna send it directly to you, Mr. Williams, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because if you can send me this, okay.
I have another question.
Yeah.